morning.
Okay, can start, Suzanne.
Why tigers have a grudge on cats? A long time ago, there was a tiger and a cat who were very close friends. They lived together in the forest. The cat would sleep on one of the tree branches of a tree, and the tiger would sleep under the same tree. During the day, they would look for food in the forest together. One day, both of them went looking for fruit at the edge of the forest. They found some trees full of ripe fruits. It's our luck that the other animals have not found these fruit trees, said the cat delightedly. As the cat was picking some fruits from the ground, along came a fierce wolf. Fortunately, the cat saw the wolf in time and started running. He shouted, "Help! Help!" and quickly scrambled up one of the trees. The wolf tried to follow the cat, but it could not climb the tree. He felt very frustrated and just sat down under the tree and kept watch over the frightened cat. Meanwhile, the tiger, which was a short distance away, heard the cat shouting for help. He came running and spotted the wolf waiting under the tree. The tiger gave a loud growl and the wolf ran for his life. The cat felt greatly relieved and slowly came down from the tree. When he was on the ground, he said, "Thank you for saving my life, dear friend. If you had not come on time, the wicked wolf may have killed me. I am so lucky to have a friend like you." The tiger realized that the cat was able to escape from the wolf because he knew how to climb trees. He said, "My dear friend, please teach me how to climb trees. If I can climb trees, I can save myself from if a lion attacks me." The cat thought, "If I teach this tiger to climb trees, I will not be safe if one day we become enemies." But at the same time, he did not want to lose his friendship with the tiger. He therefore decided to cheat the tiger. "Okay, I agree to teach you how to climb trees. Let's go over there, that tall tree," said the cat to the tiger. The tiger said, "Thank you for agreeing to teach me how to climb trees. You are such a good friend." The cat walked very slowly, but the tiger was quite anxious to get started. "Hurry up, my friend. I can't wait to climb up that tree," said the tiger. "Be patient, and I will teach you," replied the cat. When they reached the tree, the cat instructed what the tiger should do. "I will climb the tree slowly and you watch what I do. Now follow me closely, okay?" advised the cat. With the help of the cat, the tiger managed to climb the tree together. They went quite high. Then all of a sudden, the cat jumped down to the ground. He then called out to the tiger to do the same, but tiger was too frightened jumped down. Why didn't you teach me how to come down the tree? Asked the tiger. Come on, my friend, just jump down. Nothing will happen to you, said the cat. Finally, the tiger had no choice but to jump down. The tiger's body was much larger than the cat's, so when he jumped down, he broke his leg. The cat started laughing at the tiger. The tiger felt very angry and said, "You have cheated me, you ungrateful cat. You deliberately did not teach me how to climb down. I will never trust you again." Since then, tigers and cats have not been friends. Tigers have always carried a grudge against the cats. The end.
So then ask question. So then I got a question. Start to ask your question. Why? So then are you still there? Hello? Why everybody not moving?
The cat sleep.
Why did the cat sleep on the tree branch? Why? Jeff? Why the cat sleep? Why the cat sleep on the tree branch? The cat would sleep on one of the branches of a tree. What is the answer, Suzanne? Suzanne, what's the answer? Brendan, why the cat always sleep on a tree trunk, tree branches?
Sorry, teacher.
My
Wi-Fi is not stable.
Did you stop the recording first? Little drag too long time. Stop recording.